Less than 10% of children in the world live in countries where laws protect them from all forms of violence.
Some children have died mining cobalt and others have been seriously injured. Tens of thousands of children are estimated to be used to dig for the toxic metal without protective clothing.
Where children are living without clean water, medical care, protection, even food. Where their bodies and minds are unprotected from violence, abuse and exploitation. Where they are targets of war.
The outbreak in India is disproportionately affecting some 40 million children from the poorest families.
The children of the world are asking you to stand with us, listen to us and renew your promises to the world's children.
We ask you to join us today to become the collective voice of oppressed children across the world in our fight against the injustices that they have had to endure every day.